let's refresh my head. I said, come on, refresh, let's refresh my head. I said, come on, refresh, let's refresh my head, let's refresh my head, let's refresh my head. I said, come on, refresh, let's refresh my head. I said, come on, refresh, let's refresh my head. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Spirited Culture. Ting! It's your girl, Miss Spirit, and I'm here because I've been rocking the hell out of my two buns, and I wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial on this hairstyle because I don't look like someone's little sister, Kate. Yeah, that's how I've been feeling when I try to rock two buns in my hair, so I have avoided the style for years, even though I used to absolutely love it. But now I found a solution that is cute, grown, fun, playful. Call me Nala, baby. Beyonce, shout out to the Lion Queen. Okay. Something about when I turn the camera on, I just get so crazy. So I hope I wasn't blasting your ears off, but if I was, I don't give a damn. All right, let's see. Let's see what's going on. I'm nervous to take it out. I don't know if it's going to come out the same again. But I put this hairstyle in my hair 2 days ago. So I'm just going to give it a quick little, spray down real quick and just show you what I did. It's super easy. So I figured after this, we'll have some fun. Try to explore ways to make the two buns pop. You down? Okay. Okay, come on, let's do it. So, I'm taking it down. Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh! Dun, 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 dun. Hey, so my hair is in 2-strand twist. Yes, my hair is in 2-strand twist right now. And I decided to do the two buns with this look because I find that when my hair is in 2-strand twist, it can make a look a little bit thicker and not so many individual locks poking out all over the place, which is what I think contributed to this look being a little bit more mature looking and grown. So this is what I started off with. I don't know why I do stuff like that. I just love that I do, and I do it out loud. All right, so this is how I started off my hair. It was just in 2-strand twist. I literally just split the head down the middle. So the key to me is that you want not Princess Leia, you want bear, baby bear or cat. You know, bears have like those rounded ears at the top. So that's what I like to go for, is like taking the two buns, not really here, but moving them up just a little bit more than normal. And I don't really use too much edge control or anything for this look because I just think it's so fun and cute. You don't really have to, but I would do a little bit of like aloe vera gel because you know that's my baby. So I'll just put a little aloe vera gel right there. And I can use my retwisting product. This is the Super Grow Afro Gel product, and just putting a little bit of that on there right before I take it up into the pony. Just a little something to smooth it out. And okay, so I'll take it, pull up the whole half like this. And then what I do is I actually just twist it. So look here, and I just twist it over. Twist it. And it's like, I don't know how the hair is gonna come out. I just twist it, and then I just put it down with the hair thingy, and I go in and fix it. Like, it's mad easy. So it's like, okay, can I accept that bun? Let me twist it around a little bit more. Okay, so boom, it actually looks kind of cute from the side. Shout out to the lock sprinkles. And then you take the other side. Like so. And then I'm just going to twist it again. Just twist them around. So this game is like really just a game of like, hope it comes out cute. Seriously. Because sometimes it do and sometimes it don't. Like, that's wrong. That's too far back. Okay, let me pull it up. You know what? And I missed a crucial step. That's why I messed up. Need to put a little aloe vera. There we go. A little bit of this. Here we are. So I know I need to bring it forward just a little bit. The goal is to have the buns be even. Oh, that looked cute on the twist. That shit was cute right there. You take the pin, or you take the hair tie. Okay. 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 She a little bit of a little bird, a little bit of a baby bear vibe, but here we are. I'll take it. So that's all I do. Is super easy, not really much stress on my hair. Just make sure you like just twist it and then you stop it up right there. So I brought a couple accessories that I brought. I figured why not explore cute ways to do stuff. I don't know how this is going to come out, but you can put like a little flower in your buns like this. That's cute. Ooh, I feel Hawaiian. Other things you could do to your buns. Take a couple of these kind of bobby pins like this, and you could create a path going up to your two buns, or create X's, create some kind of design. That's not cute. Hey, it's all experimentation. This is how I do my hair. Hey, do I like it? Not at all. But are we going with it? Yes, we are. Okay. Yeah, I don't like that. All right, I don't like it. I'm not doing it. Screw it. Fail. Bomb. Bomb. And something else you could do with your hair is, I just got a visor from the store, from the thrift store. I'm ready to play tennis. So that's what I would do with my two buns. That is how I do my two buns. Easy, low maintenance, a fun, playful look, but you're still an adult. Don't let nobody try you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Wednesdays and Sundays, I'm live at 12:30s, giving you ways to win and spiritual support. I love you guys. Thank you for always rooting, checking me out, leaving comments. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Mwah. Bye.